Umsohbar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kanlong kasngi bakmen bat kabasa ajingkan mawi ki patba khamtam ki khana puli kathan Khappud jong kari Bhoi bat Assam kabahap hakathan Umsohbar jong gajirang constituency di Bhoi district harian bu menteri rang ba adu kadi Narendra Modi ulabu maunongrim lingba ke video conference nak benta bante ya ke Eklavya Model Residential School Emrs keblokot syakajingnot kebahan pesau Klur tingkah habai shim benta kadi gajingbu maunongrim ya ketiga school Daud Narendra Modi lingba ke video conference na Gujarat, Menteri Ketenat Community and Rural Development Kejela uba asas na sotun, ulawan benedan ringkat lang, lambat kiwe de ki officer haka office rekam jong block development officer ke jirang CNRD block, ban sakhi ke jingbu mau nongrem. Nakliang uba asas na sotun, ulapun pau ke jing smokman shikat day, halor ke jing urlong bante yak tiga skul, kaban nakliang ke jong uhi shimet uladap ban pa jing tho syaka Sorkar jela hakisnem ki beralik no. Halor kani ke benta nak liang uba asas na sotun ulapun pau ke jing ai khuble kerpang bat sngungu syaka Sorkar pedeng hapo ke jing alam Narendra Modi ku menteri rang ba adu gari badru syu menteri rang ba kajela ukan rat ke sangma bershim khya ringkat ki he officer ban pun urlong ya ke jing ang nuat ke jong u bat ki pat ba nong Shnong kathan
Model residential schools. Kadai kapa menta kasngi Honorable Prime Minister jongi ulade banbu ya foundation stone ban stang no ya kajingte kabide bat kaneka Eklavya Model Residential Schools hati ham Umsohbar. Kiran total kumba sanpotuli kita ki Eklavya Model Residential Schools all over India. Agaba mentang sengi labu yau foundation stone da Honorable Prime Minister bat haka jela kejungi kadai kumba khatli nagabakla andreutli haka jela kejungi bat ngidong ki bedolbok adu gada kaca ba haka district kejungi iyo hapo ki bahap hapo jong jirang blok hani ha Umsohbar. Ketika Eklavya Model Residential Schools ka target kejong ka central government Honorable Prime Minister the Honorable Union Tribal Union Affairs Ministry Union Minister nanta Honorable Chief Minister jungi nakabenta kumno banla ban yarap yagi tribal students ketika Skul kapa ki tribal students kinyo banlay banpuli but ka class kanday nadu class 6 hadu class 12 class 6 to 12 nangka kapasutunan hadu kata-kataru kalomba when students have cleared the class 10 11 and 12 there will be 3 streams. The science streams, commerce streams, and the art streams. So, this school, it will help the tribal students, especially the students of our constituency. Kani kalong kacing mentoy, nagabanta ki khana puli baro kiba on sayo ban late ban puli hakadega school ngi kermen ba ngi kitbok kerwen ya ki contractors ba kinla batri kamstet badang batri bha wala pendep kapor kebabiang kat kum kat time frame kaba ki engineer kin batai ki kumno bakin le hakbede bat kejingte hakbede bakin ke school dengan kerpat yaki nongilam Shnong ngakarpat yaki gunhun ke paper ba parbor ngide bendon yang kata kaji trailang ringkat ke Sorkar ringkat pat kinu ki department khamtam hakbede bakin ke school ringkat bagi contractors kenang ba onla bat benda mengini ba kat kum time frame ba labu kamut ba hadir pat ni siyok ban sedang ya kini ke skul agaba ki kena ki jongi ki siyok ban lek ban puli kini ke skul bahkan no lejing mentoi na ka benta ka lawe ka joki baru katung ka numbers ka ba ngayo the number of students nadu class 6 to 12 kalong numbers kadai south prabhu but kindon kuma R section the way section kadai live homeward 30 number of students in one section nangta kadon ka main school building nangta kadon ki hostels boys and girls kindon ki quarters kindon ka playground kindon ka football dan ka track nangta ki track and field nangta kadon ka basketball field kindon ki volleyball field but kumta terter kane kane ka jingker khu ka ba mangi ngelai lupa ngalai ya ka project estimate but ya ka plan akaba kan selong ke jingker khu na kamata ki kena puli baro ki bersiyo balai puli kane ke school tiga sokmen bangasawan ay ke jingero sashi sempat you honorable prime minister jungi Shri Narendra Modi ji halor kan jingi ijngai ke jong honorable prime minister jungi nangta union tribal affairs ministers nangta honorable chief minister halor kan jingshim kya ba kan jingi ijngai ke jungi kerpang na ke bata ki tribal community kamtam habalala banwara ya ke school na ke bata ke jingmentoi ke jung ki kena school baru dikalong ke jing schools has been laid the foundation stone by our honorable prime minister and at the very outset I would like to thank our honorable prime minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and the tribal affairs minister union tribal affairs minister and at the same time I would also like to thank our honorable chief minister. This project it has been carried out for 2-3 years where we have gone along with the right Umsohbar, the education department, and I myself I went for the survey of that land and I myself I proposed the area of that land where it is going to be constructed because what I feel if such projects that will be coming out in that area, it will cater all the areas of the people residing in the bordering state with Assam and as well as all the people who are residing here in the remote areas. That is why I put a name of that village so that this project will be sanctioned in that area and with the generosity of the Raja Same and the Umsohbar right land, all the traditional heads with their generosity we could manage to get the land. To which area this part of the road?
Yes, it will go up to that hill.
The main school building,
Main school building will be here.
and then the
Boys hostel and girls hostel will be on the top of that.
okay. Boys and
Jitan.
this is the main school building.
No, sir. The main school building is here, sir.
This is my road.
This is the road we are coming.
This part will be the ground.
Yes, running track.
Running track. Yes.
And
This project is included with the football ground or what?
there is one running track,
Yeah.
2 basketball court, 2 volleyball court,
And then
and 2 kho court, and 1 archery ground.
this indoor.
Indoor.